Hello everyone, this is King Bronzel with my unboxing of the Master Grade Figurize Luna Trigger. This is a Kamen Rider. Yes, I know it's not a Gundam. Yeah, I know. But I finished its series maybe a month or two ago, and I decided to give it a go. Well, let's get into the box, shall we? This is the manual. Very pretty, if you ask me. It has pictures of how it looks on the back, and of course the manual little bits inside. There's Cyclone Joker, the black and green one, Heat Metal, the red and silver one, and then Luna Trigger here. Those are Kamen Rider W's three base forms. After that, there is Kamen Rider Skull, which is right there. The third, right there. Sorry, I'm using the webcam. And he has one additional form, Fang Joker. White with black. It's you just know when you see it. Anyways, you can use this guy with others to mix and match, as in you could have a Cyclone Trigger or Luna Joker or one of the others combined, except for Joker. He's not meant to go with them. But anyways, it's a nice kit by the looks of it. Somewhere in the description I'm gonna have the link to a translated English version of this, so that if people are interested in this kind of thing, they can look it up. They have the other Figurize manuals for Kamen Rider in there as well. Just go and look. The stickers are this. A lot of stickers. Lot. Probably gonna use a good number of them. We'll just have to wait and see. Hold on. I had this all set up earlier, but got disorganized accidentally. Already opened the wrappings and got them in ABC order, but here we go. Here is the A plate. Here is the fin, and of course you see the eyes here, but a lot of the major joints and even parts of the belt is visible. Very nice A plate. Definitely giving most master grades a run for their money. And then here's the B plate. It has the head, torso, and a lot of other joints for the Luna side. The C plate is more Luna parts, and D is the hands for Luna, and the fingers and last little bits. This is where the this is the part right here where the leg joins the waist section. So, and then we get into the trigger side. This is basically a blue version of the other side. This side, hold on, let me see if I can get a close up on this. You can probably see that there's some color swirls in the plastic itself. It looks just that way on both sides, as in both the trigger and Luna sides. Both have the same swirl effects. So if you can, I recommend painting it, unless you're lucky and yours doesn't have that little effect. Maybe mine was last in the production that day. Don't know. Here's more trigger parts. Here's the thighs and lower legs right here. Yeah. And here's the hands. Here's a trim for Luna. Yes, it's gold instead of the yellow for the Luna itself. It's gonna be interesting. Here's, I don't know how to say this, maybe a green, like a bluish green. My webcam's probably not picking that shade up, but it's kind of like a bluish green. I've been waiting for my black panel liner to arrive in the mail, which it finally has. Almost out of when it said it was gonna get here, but it finally got here, and thus these will be made to look a lot better. Here's a J plate. You'll see a whole bunch of parts that, for instance, I mean, just for like the right here's the where the different panels slide in for the waist itself, and the rest are usually for the, well, if I'm right, for the, don't know, I'm having a brain fart, bear with me for a moment, where his memories plug into his belt. That's the parts for his belt. And these two are for the bottom of his feet. Plastic, you say? No, they are rubber! Rubber. These will enable it to stand well. Now, Bandai, please put this in some more of your kits. And here's M. The last this piece is for the Luna side. It'll enable you to not have to put anything in its back. And here's, basically this is for the Luna trigger itself. The other parts have been just been made to be specific for the other kits. This is for the Luna trigger itself. And last but definitely not least, ye old polycaps. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and just tell me what you think I should improve on. Oh, here's a little note. I will be posting the whip on Gundam Eclipse, taking pictures with my new camera right here. Not sure how well I'll do, but each step that I go through, I'll take one picture. So, well, that's it for today, everyone. Enjoy the nice long video. See you next time. Bye bye.